Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 2nd. This is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 or number 2 today. So we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold made a huge push down today, and it's actually kind of funny because the US dollar from the non-farm payroll also is going down pretty hard today. As usual, gold is kind of doing its own thing, which is very, very common for gold. Often gold will go down at the exact same time the dollar goes down, which is actually opposite what you think because the US dollar is the second currency in this case. But anyways, yeah, either way, we definitely had a nice push down. We definitely did have a break of structure. Because of that break of structure and because this looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 waves up, I would expect to see more of a proper correction now, probably something like this. I would definitely be looking for 3 waves down. If you are a little bit of a shorter time frame trader, you definitely could possibly get some shorts out of it over the next week or so. But I definitely still would be looking at this move right here as possibly a correction to this move up, and I definitely would be looking for 3-way pullbacks to go long for the continuation of the uptrend, especially going into next week after we see a proper ABC. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.